Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to briefly cover scheduled reserved instances. So here's our diagram, and in reserved instances, which we've talked about quite a bit, there is another type of reserved instance which is called scheduled reserved instances. Here you're able to reserve capacity and schedule it to recur daily, weekly, or monthly. For instance, you could say every day from midnight to 4 a.m. I need a certain capacity. You are locked into a 1-year term. And that's pretty much how it works. But the important thing I wanted to point out here is that if you go to the Amazon website and look for scheduled reserved instances, you will see this message, which has been here for quite some time. It says that you cannot purchase scheduled reserved instances at this time, and to reserve capacity, use on-demand capacity reservations instead, and for discounted rate, use saving plan. So this important update in the sense that it looks like they're phasing out scheduled reserved instances, and looks like with time they might not even be available anymore because they want you to use these two, the combination of these two instead. We're still talking about it here because it might come up on the exam. There's always a bit of a lag between what happens in the real world and the exam. So look out for it. But nevertheless, remember that it is kind of being phased out by the looks of it. And instead, use savings plan plus capacity reservations. The use cases for scheduled reserved instances are batch jobs that you might want to run at night and peak demand times and days. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.